There's a lot of misguiding information on the internet, on a lot of reading websites, especially on the optimal meal frequency, intermittent fasting, what is actually the ideal number of meals in a day. Hello people, मैं हूँ गरिमा भंडारी. Welcome to Fit Talk, and in today's video we're going to discuss that what is actually the right number of meals that you can have in a day. Now some people say that in a day, as per their time and schedules, they like to stick to 3 meals a day. But whereas on the contrary, some people say that 6 meals a day works best for them to keep up their metabolism active and also work on their weight loss. So let's see what are the myths and break them down one by one. 6 meals a day for weight loss. You must have heard or been advised by a lot of health experts that consuming 6 meals a day can actually help you win over your battle of bulge. But फैक्ट ये है कि अगर आप 6 मील्स खाते हैं या फिर फ्रीक्वेंट मील्स खाते हैं इन अ डे, सो डेफिनेटली आपका मेटाबॉलिज्म जो है वो तो हर समय एक्टिव रहता है, इग्नाइटेड रहता है. स्पेशली अगर आपको हंगर पैंग्स होते हैं तो वो भी नहीं होते, क्योंकि हर समय आपके स्टमक में कुछ ना कुछ रहता है. सो आप एक्सट्रीमली हंग्री नहीं होते. बट सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट फ़ायदा इसका ये है कि जो आपकी ब्लड शुगर है वो ऑलवेज इन चेक रहती है. 3 meals a day. The downside of having 3 meals a day is that first of all you're stuffing yourself with a lot of food so that you don't feel hungry for the next 5 hours, because that is when you're going to eat your next meal. Now what happens in the first 3 hours after you've had your meal? फर्स्ट 3 आवर्स में के बाद आपका जो ब्लड शुगर लेवल है वो ड्रॉप होने लग जाता है, थोड़ा सा फॉल होता है. 4 आवर्स के बाद जो हमारा खाना है, जो भी हमने खाया है, मील है, वो कम्प्लीटली डाइजेस्टेड होती है. एंड 5 आवर्स के बाद ब्लड शुगर drops to an all-time high, and that is the time when you're supposed to really eat. So what happens that time is your food is already gone, metabolism is also very slow. So that is the only downside of having 3 meals a day, because you tend to overeat. And that's why I would say that if I do a small little comparison between the intermittent fasting or the 6 meals a day वर्सेस 3 meals a day, 6 meals a day में आप थोड़ा थोड़ा क्वांटिटी में खा रहे हैं एंड हर समय आपका मेटाबॉलिज्म एक्टिव है. इट नेवर गोज़ टू अ स्नूज मोड. बट इफ़ यू हैव 3 meals a day, breakfast definitely is the most important meal of the day, क्योंकि you're breaking your fast after 12 hours. But then what happens if you wait for breakfast to lunch and give a gap of 5 to 6 hours? It's not good for you. You're going to also face the problem of acidity. So I definitely urge you to incorporate 6 meals a day. If not 6, then at least include in between some form of healthy snacking so that you don't keep your stomach starving for a long time. But there is no definite study or there is no definite research that lays emphasis or a conclusion, definite conclusion on your meal frequencies, that what is better for you, what aids in more weight loss, what can be more energizing for you, and what can actually help you achieve your weight targets. So please follow your own body weight, your own schedule, your own time, your own energy, to keep in mind that what plan might work for you. Try both the sides, the upside, the downside, and do share your results with us. Till then, keep rocking, stay fit, stay healthy, and don't forget to subscribe Fit Talk for more such updates, and stay tuned.